Hello, Mr. Chew's here with another Math Minute with Mr. Chew. Can you solve this equation 2 to the k equals 0.5? But I want you to use the law of indices. So you have to stop and think, what does that even mean? So this is called an exponential equation. And the law of indices is just a fancy name, a fancy way of them talking about the law of exponents. Okay, the law of exponents just means, in this case, if I have x to the a raised to the bth power, it's important to know that that means x to the ab power. That is the part of the law of exponents you need for this. So let's work this out and see how this works. So I have to rewrite this as 2 to the k equals, read that, that's 5/10. Well, 5/10 is equal to what? 5/10 is equal to 1/2. So 2 to the k equals 1/2. So I can take my 1/2 and write it as 2 to the negative first power. Because in exponents, anytime that you have x to the negative 1, that equals 1 over x. So this is a topic that should have been talked about in your algebra class. Anytime using the law of indices, the law of exponents, that I have the base the same, then I can say k equals 1, negative 1, because of the property of equality. So if k equals negative 1 now, we can plug it back in here when we check it. So here's the check. I always want you to check an equation. So 2 to the negative 1, does that equal 0.5? So 2 to the negative 1, by definition, means 1 over 2. Does that equal 0.5? Well, we can either convert this to a decimal or this to a fraction. Let's convert this to a decimal. 0.5 equals 0.5. All right, so this is my very first law of indices exponential equation problem. It's called the MMW-2, and there will be a link up in the top up here to another example like this to make sure you understand it. So you can click on that link to watch it. Make sure you like this, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. You can send it to someone else. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Down here will be a playlist link to my other Math Minutes, and I've got several of them. I'll see you next time in the next video. Have a good one.